Scalenut is a generative AI software that promises to revolutionize the way businesses handle content creation. But before you rush into buying, here are 12 things you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of whether Scalenut is the right fit for your business needs, especially when compared to other competitors on the market. First, let's talk about ease of use. Scalenut is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible for beginners. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The platform has a clean interface, but if you're used to more complex AI tools, like Jasper or Copy.ai, you might find Scalenut's features a bit limited at first. Next thing, pricing. Scalenut offers tiered pricing plans, which can be a bit tricky depending on what you need. For businesses on a budget, it's a more affordable choice compared to higher-end competitors, but it may lack some premium features unless you opt for the higher tiers. If you need extra capacity or advanced capabilities, the cost can quickly add up, so you'll want to ensure the plan you pick aligns with your content needs. The third thing is its content generation capabilities. Scalenut does a good job with blog posts, articles, and SEO-optimized content. However, it's not as versatile as tools like Writesonic or Jarvis when it comes to specialized content like email marketing campaigns or social media posts. If you're looking for a one-stop shop, you might need additional tools to complement Scalenut's offering. Now, let's talk about SEO. One of Scalenut's strongest points is its SEO assistant. It's designed to help improve your content's ranking on search engines, something not all generative AI tools focus on. The AI suggests keywords, content structuring, and ways to improve readability, which is great for those who prioritize SEO. But keep in mind, competitors like Surfer SEO might give you more in-depth features in this area. The fifth thing to consider is the AI's ability to generate high-quality content. While Scalenut's AI does a decent job, it can sometimes struggle with nuance and creativity. The generated content often reads a little formulaic, which might require more editing compared to using other AI tools that offer more variety in their writing style. Next, the sixth thing is its plagiarism checker. This tool helps ensure that the content you generate is unique and won't be flagged by search engines. While it's a nice feature, it's not as sophisticated as some standalone plagiarism checkers, which might give you a more reliable result. Moving on to integrations, the seventh thing is that Scalenut supports some popular integrations, like Google Docs and WordPress. However, it doesn't have as many integrations as other tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, which might be a deal breaker if you need more flexibility in connecting with other tools. The eighth thing is its team collaboration features. Scalenut allows teams to collaborate on content creation, which is great for businesses that need to streamline their workflows. However, it lacks some of the advanced collaboration features found in tools like Copy.ai or Writesonic, which allow for more seamless team interactions. The ninth thing is its content research. Scalenut's research tools are good, but they aren't as comprehensive as tools like Phrase. While it can help generate topics and gather content insights, it might not offer the depth some competitors provide, especially when it comes to data-driven content creation. Now, let's talk about customer support. Scalenut offers 24/7 customer support via chat and email, which is great for troubleshooting issues. However, it's worth noting that response times can be slow during peak hours, and you might not get the instant support that some larger competitors like Jasper or Copy.ai provide. The 11th thing is updates and improvements. Scalenut is still evolving, so you can expect regular updates and new features. But if you're looking for a fully established tool with all the bells and whistles, tools like Jasper might feel like a more mature choice. Finally, Scalenut offers a free trial, which gives you the chance to test it out before making a commitment. This is a big plus if you're on the fence, but don't expect the trial to give you full access to all features. It's a great way to get a feel for the tool, but you may need to upgrade to a paid plan for full functionality. In conclusion, Scalenut is a solid option for content creation, especially for businesses looking for a simple, budget-friendly solution with strong SEO features. However, if you're after more versatility, deeper SEO tools, or advanced integrations, you might want to look into other options. If you want a better solution, check out our recommended platform that you can try for free today.